Hello everyone, welcome to LRDI Prep. So we were discussing this data interpretation and logical reasoning based combined set. In this video, I will be discussing the question number 3. So let's straight away go to the question number 3. Here is the question number 3. It says, if the number of students choosing finance as their specialization is 6,000, then what is the number of students choosing operation as their specialization? Okay. So the number of students choosing finance as a specialization is given, and using this information we are supposed to tell the number of students choosing operation as their specialization. Okay, now how will this information lead us to finding the number of students in operations? See, finance, we using this information that the number of students in finance specialization is 6,000, I can find out the students of the different backgrounds, because I have a bar graph where it is mentioned that how many students choosing finance as their specialization belongs to different background. And which graph is this? You see that I can use this information. I can use the second paragraph. The second paragraph will tell me, the second bar graph will tell me that the number of students from finance, right, out of the number of students who are choosing finance as their specialization, 10% belongs to arts, 40% belongs to science, 20% belongs to engineering, 25% belongs to medical, and 5% belongs to commerce. Now, this will give me the number of students in the individual section, right? In the individual backgrounds. So let's use this information straight away. So 10%, 40, 20, 25, 5. 10, 40, 20, 25, 5. 10, 40, 20, 25, 5. Let's write it down. So we have this. So total number of students are 6,000 choosing finance as their specialization, and we are supposed to write down the number of students who belongs to arts background, the number of students who belongs to science background, the number of students who belongs to engineering background, the number of students who belongs to medicine, and the number of students who belongs to commerce. And what are these percentage? We have just seen it. Let's have a look at it once. 10, 40, 20, 25, 5. Let's write down 10%, 40%, 20%, 25%, and 5%. Okay. Now let's find out. 10% of 6,000 is 600. Okay. 40% of 6,000 is 2,400. Okay. 20% of 6,000 is 1,200. 25% of 6,000, 1/4 is 1,500, and 5% of 6,000 is 300. Okay. Now, how will this information lead us in finding the number of students in operation specialization? Now, tell me how this information can be used. If I'm saying that 600 students from finance are from the arts background. Now let's find out using the first bar graph, what percentage of arts background are choosing finance as their specialization. This complete set is based on understanding these two statements. When I say that that number of students from arts background choosing finance as their specialization, and the number of students from finance background, from finance specialization, from arts background, both are the same statements. Both are talking about the same set of students. Now let's find out that in arts, what percentage of the students are in finance. Now for this we need to go to the first bar graph. And if you look at the first bar graph, you see that this is the arts background, right? Arts background, science, and all that, and we are looking for the percentage values in finance. So this stacked bar graph will straight away tell us that 20% from arts are in finance, 15% from science are in finance, 37.5% of engineering are in finance, 20% of medical are in finance, and 15% of commerce are in finance, right? Okay, so let's write down these percentages: 20, 15, 37.5, and then 20 and 50. So easy to remember. Let's straight away write it out. Right. Here it's not possible to put all the information on one slide, so therefore we have to move back and forth. Right. But when you will be solving the set in the exam, you will have the complete information in front of you. Now this is 20%, right? This is 15%. Third is 37.5%. And then you have 20% and 15%. But you need to understand what is the meaning of this value. It says 20% of arts are choosing finance as a specialization. That means whatever number of students I have in arts, 20% of arts student is equivalent to 600. 15% of science students are in finance specialization, which is equal to 2400. 37.5% of engineering students is equal to 1200. 20% of medical student is equal to 1500. 15% of commerce student is equal to 300. This is what the set is talking about. And now what I'm supposed to find out? I'm supposed to find out the number of students choosing operation as a specialization. Can I also find out what are the students choosing operations in all these backgrounds? And I'll get my answer. Yes. Where is this information available? This information is available on the first bar graph. I know that look at this bar now. 5% of arts are choosing operation. 40% of science are choosing operation. 5% of engineering are choosing operation. 30% of medical are choosing operation, and 20% of commerce are choosing operation. So I can also write down these values. And this bar graph will tell me the number of students choosing operation as a specialization from different backgrounds. And this is what I wanted to find out, that what is the number of students choosing operation as a specialization. What are these percentages? 5, 45, 30, 20. 5, 45, 30, 20. So let me write it down. I know that 5% of arts background students are choosing operation. 5. So let me take the values again. Okay, first paragraph. 5, 45, 30 and 20. All right. 5%, 40%, 30%, 5, 40, 30, 20. 5, 40, 30. Just give me a minute. 545, sorry. 545, 30 and 20. 540 of 5%, this is 30%, and this is 20%. Now, how will I find out my answer? You see that I know that 20% of a value is 600, and the value that I am interested in is 5% of the same value. 20% of arts is equal to 600, which is finance students, and 5% of arts is choosing operation as a specialization. So therefore, to find out my answer, I can straight away see that if 20% of something is 600, guys, if 20% of something is 600, then tell me 5% of the same value will be equal to how much? This is 1/4, so this will also become 1/4, that will be 150. So can I say from arts background there are 150 students choosing operation as their specialization? Yes, this is correct. Now 15% of something is 2400. I'm interested in 40%. Now you guys tell me, if 15% is 2400, let me do the calculation here. If 15% is equal to 2400, then you see that 5% will be equal to 800. It's quite easy. 1/3. So this will also be 1/3. What I want to find out? I want to find out 40%. So 40% will be 8 times. That is 6400, right? 8 times. So the number of students from science background choosing operation as a specialization is 6400. Okay. Here 37.5% is 1200. What I am interested in is 5%. Now what is 37.5%? Is 3 by 8. So what you can do is that 3 by 8 of science students is given to me as 1200. So can I say the total number of students in science background are 3200? If total number of students in science background are 3200, then 5% are in operation. So 5% of 3200 will be how much? 5% of 3200 will be equal to 160. So therefore this value will be equal to 160. All right. Next we have 20% is 500. Now now you understand the complete concept and just find out 20% is 500. So what is 30%? If 20% is 500, then 10% will be 750. If 10% is 750, then 30% will be how much? Multiply it with 3, 0, 15, 2250. 2250. Okay, right? 15% is 300. Then what is 20%? If 15% is 300, that means 5% is equal to 100. So 20%, that is 4 times, will be equal to 400. So this value will be 400. That's it. This is the number of students choosing operation as a specialization. Add them up, you will get your answer. This is 0, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. This is the answer, right? Let's do the addition again. 20% is 1500. Yes, that's correct. 10% is 750 to 250. That's, the calculation is perfectly fine. There is nothing wrong with the calculation. Now let's cross check it. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Right? 1, 2, 6, 7 to 9. There is something wrong here. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 5, 16. 1, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9 plus 4. It would be 13, right? So this will be 3, right? 3 plus 1. So 9360 is the answer, right? So the correct answer is 9360. This is the final answer. The number of students choosing finance, number of students choosing operation as their specialization in total will be 9360. And this is the answer of the question, right? Quite a tricky question, right? Only a person whose concepts for percentages are clear will be able to do this question, right? And a very important set to help you in understanding these different complex statements, right? When it comes to the percentage, a different type of questions can be made from the percentage chapter, and percentage is one of the most favorite topic of CAT exam. Every year you will see 1 or 2 questions from the percentage topic. So this question number 4 also. Here is a question number 4. I would like you to try this, but I will be discussing the question number 4 in the next video lesson. What is the total number of students in the business school if the number of students belonging to the commerce background is 500? So commerce background के बच्चे आपको दिए हैं और आपको total number of students को find out करना है पूरे business school के अंदर. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll continue with our set in the next video. And referral code for Unacademy Plus subscription is LRDI Samir. This will help you in getting 10% off on Unacademy Plus purchase. You'll be able to attend unlimited live sessions on Unacademy Plus, and you'll be able to access all of my live sessions that I'm taking on Unacademy Plus. And also on this YouTube channel, you will get your 100% access, 100% syllabus coverage for LR and TI. The channel name is LRDI Prep. So subscribe to the channel and please share it with all of your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.